purple smoky eye look which I have created for you guys. So first of all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. So in today's video I have created this purple smoky eye look for you guys, and with the help of few products which you can also get this look. So without further ado, let's start the video. So I'm going to start off my makeup by applying some primer on my skin, and for that I'm using this Blue Heaven primer. So I'm going to take only this much. Basically it is a silicone based primer. So first I'm going to massage it on my usual area like T-zone area जो होता है. Then I'm going to patch it on my skin. And for my foundation today I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation in the shade N220 Neutral Medium. And I'm going to take this on the back of my palm. Only this much I have taken, and apply it on all over my face in dotted motion. And with the help of this Damn Beauty blender I'm going to blend this out. And next, to conceal the usual areas of my face, I'm going to use this Cover Pot by Cuff and Lashes in the shade 06. आप इसे फाउंडेशन की तरह भी यूज़ ले सकते हैं एंड कंसीलर की तरह भी यूज़ ले सकते हैं. बिकॉज ये 06 न्यूड शेड है तो मैं इसे कंसीलर की तरह एंड आई बेस प्राइमर की तरह यूज़ ले रही हूँ. And next, to set everything on its place, I'm going to use this Maybelline Compact Powder. Basically ये cake powder है, and with the help of this powder brush, by the way this brush is from Cuff and Lashes, I'm going to set my face. And to define my eyebrows, I'm going to use this PAC Cosmetic eyebrow powder. So firstly I'm going to brush them downwards so we can figure out where we need to fill out the gaps. Just to give little bit of definition to our face, I'm going to use this Sugar Subtle Summit Contour the Face palette, and I'm going to lightly contour my jawline and hollow of my cheeks and my forehead. And next, to give little bit glow and freshness to my cheeks, I'm going to use this shade right here from the same palette which I have used for the contouring. And next, to highlight the highest point of my face, I'm going to use the same palette, and इसी में से जो highlighter shade है उसे यूज़ करेंगे हम. So now as we are done with our base makeup, I'm going to set everything by using this makeup spray. And for my eye makeup, I'm going to use this iMagic 35 color eyeshadow palette, and for my crease line I'm going to dip my brush into this light orangey peachish kind of shade right here. Dust off the excess. And next I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to dip my brush very lightly because ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. And next I'm going to take this purpley shade right here and I'm going to place it on all over my eyelid. By the way, I'm so sorry, I forgot to tell you, all the brushes which I am using to make this eye makeup are from Cuff and Lashes and from Duocare. So next I'm going to take this flat brush from Duocare and I'm going to spray it. ये makeup fixer है, and I'm going to dip it into this shade. ये एक शिमरी पर्पल शेड है, तो इसकी हेल्प से हम इसे अप्लाई करेंगे. सो हमारी आईलिड कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. नाउ यू कैन सी. सो जिस ऑर्डर में हमने अपनी आईलिड्स पे कलर अप्लाई किए थे, सेम उसी ऑर्डर में हम अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी कलर अप्लाई कर लेंगे. Just to give little bit more density to my eyelashes, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline with the help of this Lotus Kajal pencil. And next I'm going to create a simple eyeliner with the help of this Stay Quirky eyeliner. It is a very good eyeliner. And next I'm going to use this Mars Fabulous mascara, and it is such a good mascara, guys. You should definitely try it, and it gives really length and volume to your lashes. See, it's formed. It's just open up my eyelashes. See. So before applying my lipstick, I'm going to outline my lips with the help of this Swiss Beauty lip liner. It is actually a nude liner. You can see it. So ये सभी लिपस्टिक के साथ सेट हो जाता है. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use Faces Canada lipstick, Go Chick lipstick in the shade Mulberry Slush. It is a very pretty peachish purple kind of lipstick. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did so, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also hit the notification bell which is right next to the subscribe button, so you can simply get notified every single time I upload a new video. Please do subscribing to my channel. Your support would mean a world to me. So I have lots of fun content for you guys. So if you are interested in watching all those interesting videos which I have planned for you, so please keep on watching to my channel and इसको subscribe कीजिए and try to share it with your friends and family, and also comment me down in the comment section below कि आप लोग किस तरह की वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं, and आपको ये लुक अगर आपने ट्राई किया तो कैसा लगा आपको. And as always, all the products which I have used in making this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check out the description box as well. And I shall see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself and stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye bye.